Dave, I didn't check with you pre-joke. Is this a good one today?
I think they're always good.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Well,
I hope so.
Yeah, we'll see. All right.
You know, during my time in school, I was upset once when I lost a spelling bee because I misspelled Armageddon. But you know, my good friend, he made me feel better when he said it's not the end of the world.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Okay, all right. I get that one.
All right, this one comes from Diane. She sent to my Instagram account. Diane says, "What's made of leather and sounds like a sneeze?"
I don't know.
A shoe.
A shoe!
A shoe.
I like.
Ooh, tough crowd today.
Diane, I'm sorry. We like that joke. Apparently the control booth doesn't.
Yes,
I'm going to go
like
talk to that control booth.
Danita was good on both.
I like both.